Well, part of our strategy initially to make our work more widely known, now part of the strategy to build a legacy, was to produce our own books that reflected our work. And we have a large series, some of them produced in the individual platform cities. There've been a couple produced in Cape Town. There's one in Kisumu. You know, the UK has done the same, and so on. But once we started the comparative research, we made an agreement with Policy Press, which is part of Bristol University Press in the UK, that had at that time just launched a new book series called their Shorts, which are small physically. They're around 60,000 word length, and crucially, they sell at a price that enables them to be affordable to a much wider audience than conventional academic books, and particularly hardbacks and so on, but also because of the requirement from our funders that we publish our work open access to make it effectively freely available worldwide. We negotiated with them, and I think, Jan, if I'm correct, we were either the first or the second book that Policy Press did on the open access basis. And this was our sort of flagship part of the start of phase 2, where we did a strategic think piece about our understanding, our approach to urban sustainability, and the 3 pillars of being fair, green, and accessible. And that's open access, and that's got us much more widely known. And then in the same series, last year, we produced the comparative urban research book, which reports on the experience of phase 2 in undertaking comparative research, which are reported in a series of other academic articles, book chapters, other forms of output. And this again is open access and therefore being downloaded around the world. We're just about, as I mentioned earlier, to publish our manual of transdisciplinary co-production, which is being published by Practical Action Publishing in the UK, where Practical Action is a world-leading international non-governmental organization working in poor communities, and was originally called the Intermediate Technology Development Group, which tells you what it sort of focused on. But they have a specific publishing arm that publishes material relevant to work in the Global South, poor communities, incremental upgrade of infrastructure or housing or services of one sort or another. And they also have a series looking at or popularizing, disseminating appropriate research methods to do these sorts of things with community-based organizations or other NGOs.